You're stuck, broke, falling behind while others are making money, growing, and winning. And deep down, you know why. You waste time. You avoid discomfort. You chase distractions instead of discipline. But here's the truth. You are not a victim. Your life is the direct result of your choices. And right now, you are choosing to stay broke. The good news, you can also choose to escape. Step 1. Stop consuming. Start creating. 90% of people get this wrong. You spend hours scrolling, watching, and dreaming. Meanwhile, others are using that time to learn skills, build businesses, and make money. The solution: replace 80% of your content consumption with skill building. Set a 2-hour creation block daily, no scrolling, no Netflix, just building something valuable. Pick one skill and commit to mastering it: video editing, copywriting, freelancing, etc. Step 2. Remove hope from your plan. Hope won't make you rich, action will. If you don't have a clear strategy, you'll stay exactly where you are. The solution: create a daily non-negotiable routine. Write down exactly what you'll do every single day to move forward. Example: 1 hour learning, 2 hours applying, 1 hour networking, no excuses. Step 3. Stop waiting, start earning. You don't need years to make money, you need momentum. Start now, even if you feel unprepared. The solution: sell something today. A service, a product, an idea, just start. List a skill on Fiverr, Upwork, or a Facebook group. Offer free work to 3 people to build experience and testimonials. Charge real money within 30 days. No delays, no overthinking. Final warning: most people will read this and do nothing. They'll tell themselves, "I'll start tomorrow." They won't. They'll wait for motivation. It won't come. They'll stay stuck, and then they'll wonder why life isn't changing. Don't be like them. You either take control of your future or you let life decide it for you. Decide now.